You love to draw, doodle, scribble, but you are stuck at what to draw, from where to start. Then this video is for you, my dear friends. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. Hello and warm welcome to you all on my channel Artkacheri. All you need is 2-3 stationery products like acrylic markers, a good quality paper, and our main hero, golden marker. Yes, and we are halfway done. You can use these patterns for various things, like if you are out of gift wraps or bags, DIY these cute patterns and wrap them and gift them, or for the greeting cards or on the glass bottles or any surface you feel like decorating. Till then, you can enjoy this process, or you can pick a paper, markers and try to draw with me. If you want more such easy DIY art craft ideas, do subscribe this channel, my dear friends, because I bring new fresh ideas every month. Okay, now quickly tell me in the comment section which pattern you loved the most, leaves, hearts or flowers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, so one more thing I forgot to mention you. Next video will be on preserved flowers craft. So subscribe now so you don't miss one. Okay, bye.